Hello kids, welcome to Grammar by Planet Spark YouTube channel.
Let's begin. Before going through the questions, here is a fun activity. Can you find the odd number from this poster? Look carefully and have fun. Did you spot the number? Well done, kids. Now let's go to the grammar question.
Hey kids! Today we will play with two special kinds of nouns, abstract nouns and collective nouns. Choose the abstract noun. Option A is joy. Option B is chair. The correct answer is joy. Joy is an abstract noun. You can feel it, but you cannot touch it. Guess the group word. A group of birds is called a. Option A is flock. Option B is toy. The correct answer is flock.
Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question.
Which word is an abstract noun? Option A is kindness. Option B is ball. The correct answer is kindness. Kindness is an abstract noun.
Excellent job, kids.
Fill in the blank. A dash of players. Option A is children. Option B is team. The correct answer is a team of players.
Excellent job, kids.
Choose the abstract noun.
Option A is love. Option B is apple. The correct answer is love. Excellent job, kids. Free one-on-one grammar check. Know your child's grammar level in just 30 minutes. Link in the description.
Read and choose. A group of flowers is called. Option A is bunch. Option B is smile. The correct answer is bunch.
Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question.
Read this word. Honesty. Is it an abstract noun or a collective noun? The correct answer is abstract noun.
Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question.
Guess the answer. A dash of fish. Option A is school. Option B is where. The correct answer is a school of fish.
Excellent job, kids.
Which one is an abstract noun? Option A is anger. Option B is basket. The correct answer is anger.
Great, that tells where. Excellent job, kids.
Choose the collective noun. Option A is a troop of monkeys. Option B is happy of monkeys. The correct answer is a troop of monkeys.
Excellent job, kids. Hey, superstar! Want to show me how well you know your grammar? Ask Mama or Papa to book your grammar challenge below.
Which one is an abstract noun? A is peace. B is team. C is stone. The correct answer is peace.
Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question.
Fill in the blank. A dash of stars. A is loudly. B is cluster. C is hand. The correct answer is a cluster of stars.
Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question.
Please like and subscribe to the channel.
Her kindness made everyone smile. What is the abstract noun? A is kindness. B is apple. C is smile. The correct answer is kindness.
Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question.
Read and choose. The class went to the park. A is abstract noun. B is collective noun. The correct answer is collective noun.
Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question.
Which one is an abstract noun? Option A is friendship. Option B is army. The correct answer is friendship.
Excellent job, kids.
Ready to start your learning journey? Click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today.
Keep learning. See you next time. Please like the video and subscribe the Grammar for Kids by Planet Spark.
Follow our other YouTube channel to help your child become a great speaker.